Gabe, you are looking fire. You got a whole party in your pants. Be careful. These are not cheap. Gabe, what is the latest gen? Are we Gen X, Gen Z? What are we on now?
I don't know, but I did find out that I'm a zillennial.
Zillennial.
Yeah, zillennial.
You know what I found out?
What is that?
That I'm chopped and unk.
Yeah.
But I would like to personally thank the latest gen for bringing back the baggy pants.
Okay.
You know?
I like where you're going with this, yeah.
Back in my day, when I was y'all's age, when I was 12, I had the biggest pants. I had pants so big you could fit an Empire State Building in them. And then the pants got small, and it was restrictive.
Yeah, I mean, you leaned right into that era.
And I leaned right into that era like a poser.
Yep.
And now, baggy's back. So you know what I got here today?
What you got here, AK?
I got a gift from the heavens.
The gift of the gab.
The gift that keeps on giving.
I love it.
And this is the next level. Like when I say next level, we're not even on the level. We're on the, you don't even.
I mean, are these the baggiest pants we've ever seen?
Baggiest pants you've ever seen is
actually?
like, this is beyond an understatement. Okay, you hold on. I'm just gonna give you.
I'm actually curious.
I'm gonna give you a comparative.
And I'm happy too, because over the years, the surprises that I've given you have resulted in fear, terror, and broken limbs, quite literally.
I know, you did break several of my bones.
I did.
So this is to compare, okay? This is a 50 wide.
Yeah, 30 long.
30 long.
So this is typically, like, this is what we've done in the past.
You think that's baggy, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
I've had reels on my Instagram with these pants get over million views.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not bad. Okay.
Yeah.
Not bad.
I mean, stylish.
Yeah, stylish. You know, what is it called? Sydney Sweeney has great jeans. So you just stand up. You stand up right there. I'm gonna show you what baggy pants are. Gen Z style.
Aaron, this is a blanket, dude. What is this, dude? Where did you find this?
Come on.
Where did you find
Put them out. Pull them out.
Bro, this is something Hagrid would wear from Harry Potter. I don't think my belt will fit around this.
Yeah.
I want to try them on.
Yeah, you gotta try them on.
What waist size is this? Do you have any idea?
The best I could come up with is 130. That's my closest guess. Those other ones are 50. I don't know. I had to just space it out.
And where did you get these?
These are fire.
Where did you get these?
So there's a company online called Sort Company. That's their logo right there. Shout out Sort for sending me these jeans. These are super sick. These are literal sickest things ever. How well are those made though?
I mean, they look like professional pants.
They are professional pants.
Look at this.
I know, right?
Look at this.
How
There's
sick
your thumbnail.
is that? How sick is that? Tell me that's not the sickest pants ever. Look at that. Look at that right there. Not only that, but the guns. The guns. You know what I just realized that I should have done? Suspenders. I should get suspenders.
This actually might be one of the greatest video ideas I've ever seen.
Yeah, fabulous.
Okay, I think we're halfway. We're getting there.
And the belt loops are super high quality. This is like.
Oh, we're there. Okay.
Yeah.
Holy, these are heavy, dude.
I ain't gonna lie. If I saw you at the club, boy, it's over.
Come on!
Come on now.
Dude, you could get bodied in these,
bro.
bro.
I know.
You can get absolutely bodied.
I know. You can't do anything. The second you try to do any trick, everything disappears in all pants.
This might be the greatest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Hold them out. Fill the pockets too.
Are these dryer safe? It'll take a whole load to do these one pants.
Gabe, you are looking fire.
Dude, I feel as cool as I've ever felt in my life, to be completely honest with you.
You put on the D3s and you roll these to the club, boy, you're gonna be beating them off you.
I'm gonna wear these. My girl's meeting up with me later. I should pull up with these and just get a reaction.
100%. In your wedding, this is what all the groomsmen should wear.
When I left the house this morning, she said, "You look like a skater." I said, "I am one." But wait until she sees me in these.
Yeah, what would she say then? You look like a... Say what?
You're fire, bro. Come on. You kidding? Are you kidding me?
Right? Holy.
Oh, God!
How scary is that?
It is scary.
The only thing we might need to add is a 3XLT.
It's adding 10 pounds.
Delicious.
Okay. This is sketchy.
I know, right? So what do you got?
First try kickflip?
Yeah, please. First try kickflip
Like
is like
my
the
pants?
hardest thing ever.
Thank you.
Right? Right? fashion contest.
You know, like when LA skaters are rolling up to their trick and they're like,
Yeah,
that's what you gotta do.
yeah. Push the pants a little bit.
All right, bro, this is actually legit kind of sketch.
Kinda sketch? It is so sketch. I was just filming a little skit in my house and the wheel got caught and I absolutely ate it.
Dude! I feel like that was cheating because I was holding them.
I'm very impressed you landed that first try, holding them or not. I'm not even sure that I filmed that, it was so good.
Oh, shoot.
It's hard, right?
Okay, all right, we got that.
You can't see nothing.
I don't want to go, I don't want to move. I want to go stationary.
Yeah,
if that's
stationary,
okay. I'm beyond impressed I landed that. Like, might be the best trick I've done in a year.
It's because I'm telling you, the bigger the pants, the better you get at skateboarding. Literally, you see the best skateboarders, notice, their pants are massive.
Oh, God. Okay, the good thing is that they're long enough so that my legs are not gonna, you know what, not even gonna say anything because I don't want to jinx anything. Just gotta commit, no matter what.
Yep, no matter what happens. Bro! That was actually so good.
Thank you.
I've done this before in those pants, and I can tell
easy.
you that is so good. I'm impressed.
You know what's interesting about it is it's so sketchy and so blind that it almost makes it less scary because you can't see anything. So you just got to put your feet down and hope for the best.
It's true. All I can think about though when I'm doing it is I'm gonna break my ankle in these stupid pants. I shouldn't have said that. Knock on wood. Knock on wood. What I always think about when we're doing these stupid videos is you go to the doctor and they're like, well, what happened? And you're like, well, I had these pants on, they're size 130 and I couldn't see the ground.
The other side of that is that at least we have evidence.
It's
You
true.
can just show them what happened.
But it's always so embarrassing. Like that time you told me to roll up that incline. How'd you break your finger, Aaron?
Just real quick, you got it. It's one of the greatest clips of all time.
You are not gonna heel flip. Hell no. Do not.
Oh God, dude,
Bro.
that is sketch. That is sketch.
Well, you know you're not gonna sack yourself because the pants are gonna catch the board long before any sack is gonna sack.
Still scary.
It's true. Dude.
I did actually just roll my ankle.
You did not?
I did.
No, you didn't.
I did.
That was gonna look so sick.
Oh, that hurt.
He said when he first pulled him out, he said, dude, this is a blanket. Be safe out there, Gabe. Be safe.
Oh God.
Bro, he's still going for it. I love those guys that walked by and they were like, those are awesome.
Air Dolphin would rock stuff.
Yeah, Air Dolphin. Shout out Air Dolphin. If you guys don't know Air Dolphin, you should know Air Dolphin.
You and me, baby, ain't nothing.
Aaron, this is really hard.
I know.
Oh! No! Dude! This is so hard!
What we need to start doing is do those like street interviews where we go up to people and we ask them questions and we say, what do you think of these pants? Just kidding, do land the heel flip. It is hard though, right?
This is San Francisco, I mean, honestly, it'd probably be the least weird thing they see all day.
I know, they're lucky in San Francisco that you're wearing pants at all. Literally, the other day, I'm standing right here and the whole parade just rolls by on scooters, bikes, dangling, letting it all dangle out.
I don't know how to do this.
You do.
It's
know
not
how
any
to do
different
this.
than a kickflip, but this is...
It is different. And the pants are mammoth. They're not big, they're mammoth. I know, my first original idea is one of us wears those pants and the other one wears these pants and we play a game of skate.
Dude, I don't think I can do it.
Bro, 100% you can do it. But I understand, you give up now, save yourself.
Do you ladies like my pants?
You like these pants?
I actually do.
Thank you. Appreciate you.
They like them. She said, I saw those from far out. How far out did you see them from? Space?
Bro, literally from the International Space Station.
Oh, that was it.
Okay. Right here, coffee from inside the port.
Yeah, 100%. It's like holding a dress.
No!
Oh,
Whoa, 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 whoa! What the heck? You got the pigeon Waymos now?
Hi, Waymo. Holy crap. That was a waist-high Neen Williams heel flip. Bubble. We got a whole crowd gathering here, Gabe. You're gonna need to land it for the crew. Dude! I don't know why, but you're doing the best popped heel flip I've ever seen you do. Must be the pants. The other thing is like they're so big. You could probably fit 4 people in these, but we need to do one where it's like one person in one pant and the other person in the other pants.
Yeah. How you doing, brother?
Oh yeah, thanks, thank you.
Braille, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Nice to meet you, man.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Sure, go ahead.
Do you like my pants?
Bro, your show is crazy. That's the first thing that caught me. Hey, what's up? Shout out to the channel, man.
There's a lot of baggage here.
There's a lot of bag. I realized there's a little thing right here. Sort Company. Shout out Sort Company.
Shout out.
Oh my word!
Yeah!
I'm not gonna lie, Gabe, that was the sickest thing I've literally ever seen.
Thank you.
Neen Williams comes, he does a heel flip that had nothing on that.
Like my pants? Thank you.
So far, we're at 100% approval rating on the pants. To me, they kind of remind me of like Japanese samurai pants. Yep. Yeah.
That just run over the pants?
You be careful.
Is that what happened?
Yes. I did that. I bodied so hard. I was completely unexpecting it. I just died.
I'm trying to think what else I can do. There's so many options, but also so many limitations.
I mean, if you want the clip for your Instagram, it's varial flip.
Oh, God.
You just gotta hold it up.
Dude, that's Primo City, bro.
I know.
All right, you know what I'm gonna try?
What?
This may be so dumb.
What?
I'm gonna try double kickflip.
Double kickflip?
Yeah.
You think that's easier than varial flip?
It's less scary for me.
No way!
All right, let's go.
That's insane.
Let's put a wager on this. What do we got on first try here?
First try, double kickflip. I got you any drink you want in the ferry building
We got
right
a little.
now.
We got a little wardrobe malfunction going on here.
That's fire, straight fire. I mean, look at these things. What do you think, chat? What size are these?
I just kind of like standing there.
And looking at your shadow and just thinking, damn, I've got a really big
I
pants.
low-key have never felt cooler in my life. Okay, any drink in there. Okay, I can do that.
Seriously?
Yeah, I can do it for sure.
That is so hard. I would never do that. I would do varial flip, tray flip, hard flip. No, not hard flip, but anything before double flip. Because your pop it's spinning twice, you can't see anything. The thing to understand about these pants, it's like night. It's like the second you pop, everything disappears. Crazy.
Okay, double kickflip in the quite literally the world's baggiest jeans.
It's not getting baggier than this.
Imagine these with killer pads on.
So
Skating
good.
on the vert ramp.
Oh my gosh, these on the vert ramp, that you would literally die.
Oh God, okay, maybe a little scarier than I was anticipating.
Yeah, I was like, after that first one, are you serious? He thought to himself, oh, I got this. And I was thinking, please no, please no.
This is literally like 8 pairs of regular pants. Might be more, maybe 10. It's kind of heavy too. So
I know, right?
Another thing I didn't really think about.
It's a big workout, these jeans.
Dang it, that was it. It just hit the pants.
I know, but with the double flip and everything going with the pants, this is terrifying.
Are you doubting me, Cairo? Are you doubting me, Cairo?
I'm fully doubting. I'm calling varial flip is easier than this.
Hell no. Varial flip, I said it earlier, but I will actually be here all day.
No, you won't. Give me 3 tries on a varial flip. I swear you got it.
I only need 1 for the double.
Adjust it. Adjust it. You got it. Holy. Next time, just stand there because you can't tell that you didn't land. You totally could have put that off.
The attention you would get at the club.
I know, that's what I'm saying. You put these with the D3s on.
Or the
with a little
bouncer,
vest.
the bouncer might not let you in. They'll
Yeah.
like ultimately they'll pat you down extra.
He's like, what you got in
you
there?
got hiding in
You got
there?
a whole party in your pants. You actually had that. It was the worst filming ever, but you actually had it.
Clean up that filming a little bit, and then I'll land over here.
Yep. Gene, shout out my filming for Gene. Gene's gonna hate this. He's trying to have the best filming all the time. This is not it.
Thank you, Gene. I hope you enjoy this video about jeans.
Sydney Sweeney has great jeans. What happened?
I got nervous. I got the yips. You know
I
what
got
the yip-
nervous once.
You know what the yips are, Aaron?
No? Yips?
Yeah.
What's the yips?
The yips is like you don't trust your skill enough, and you do things to try to like save something, and you just end up with a bad result because you're all in your head about it.
Don't get the yips, bro. Skibbity toilet.
Note to self, when you land on the pants on the ground, it's slippery and your foot slides.
Dude, everything about this is so dangerous. I'm surprised he's still going for this. I kind of want to stop him just because I have a moral responsibility for him to not get hurt. Bro, did you land? I still can't tell.
I landed! 2 to make it true.
What? You do not need to do 2. You just landed it. End now. Bigger the pants, the better the skateboarder. Leave it in the comments below.
It's just like skating with a weighted vest on my pants. Do you like my pants?
Yeah, they're sick.
Thanks, bro.
How do you like the pants?
I just love them.
We're gonna need a guess on the size.
Large.
Large, correct.
You're not wrong. You are not wrong.
He said, I love him. He's got sick pants too, I ain't gonna lie.
He does, honestly. He is dripped out. See the pant mark?
What? No way. You be careful.
Sorry.
These are not cheap. Holy.
Let's go, baby!
Every part of me wants to throw this camera. That's the sickest thing I've ever seen in my whole life.
Can I pass the baton?
You want me to skate him?
Yeah, I want to see you.
What? This is a whole...
You already did a video with him? Or
Kind
full
of.
video?
Well, should we play... I'll put those ones on, and you put those ones on, and we play a game of skate.
I'm down for that.
Huge thanks to Sort Company for sending me these pants. Wow, look at them. They just slide right off.
Just easy unequipped.
Easy in, easy out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the next one.